All right, traders, it's Irvin here. Welcome back to another amazing week. This week, guys, I'm gonna give you 4 amazing pairs. Hopefully, everybody made money last week because everything I gave you, it was 100% on point. So I don't know what this month is gonna do, guys. We are trading the last week of August, and we entering on the month of September. So the first pair that guys, let me show you the pair that I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you GBPJPY. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I think is gonna happen on this one. It may not, but you will see it. Another pair that I'm gonna give you is Euro USD. Stay with me, guys. I'm gonna tell you why I think the Euro USD is gonna perform the way I'm gonna be explaining it to you. All right. Another thing that I'm gonna give you is gold. Prepare for gold, guys. Gold is gonna be in a buy trend this coming week because we need to close the month of August strong. So be careful in there. If you already make money selling and down, congrats. But now the market is gonna resume back to the other side of the aisle. Another pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be oops, I don't want to show you real data yet. It's gonna be USDJPY. All right. So the question here, guys, is the following, guys. Which pair are you gonna be trading one of these pairs that I just gave you today? If you are planning to do it, guys, please pay attention all the way to the end of this video because everything that I'm gonna teach you, it will be explaining in a slow motion. First thing that we're gonna be doing, guys, is very important. But you know what? Let me go ahead and show you the very first pair that I'm gonna teach you today, and that it is GBPJPY. Boom. Guys, this is the way I'm gonna. You know what? Let me open the Epic Pen, guys, because it's very important, to be honest. So I can grab the right tools and teach you how we are gonna be looking into the market. Because if I don't open the Epic Pen, guys, it will make your job a lot harder, and I don't want that. I just want to show you straight up what I think the market is gonna perform, and you are gonna be the judge. So the very first thing that we always gonna be paying attention, guys, is the 4 hours and the daily time frame. It's very important to know in which direction we need to be trading. For instance, in here, if you pay attention that the 4 hours and the daily is contradicting, right? The 4 hours is showing the market it is selling. So I'm gonna explain you why I think the market is selling here on the 4 hours, and the daily time frame is showing that we are going in an uptrend. So therefore, that is your very first thing that you need to pay attention, guys. Once you get that, you will be in a different level because your cheat sheet will be your dashboard. Okay. Then the next thing you need to pay attention, guys, I'm gonna move on into reality because real data is real time, right? Real talk. So pay close attention in here. Look at the daily time frame. It's giving us exactly what the trend is doing. Here's your previous multiple time frame with the TW sniper entry. Remember, the TW sniper entry is gonna tell you, it's gonna say team with Irvin in a buy trend. It's gonna be a yellow arrow, and you will be getting the green stairs stating the market is only going in one direction only, which is only going in uptrend. When the market is selling, you get these red stairs here. Boom, 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 boom. But we don't have no red stair here. It's showing the market is only going in one direction. Now, since we all know the 4 hours and daily time frame is contradicting, so what do you think is gonna happen, right? So that's the $1 million question. So because a lot of traders will be selling you this information that I'm giving you here for free. So this is what I think here, guys. The 4 hours is already telling us, hey Irvin, we are doing what? A sell position. This is considered a pullback. Do not forget. So GBPJPY is selling as Friday. Market was selling. It got stuck. Look, this is on Friday. Market couldn't break the 23.6 Fibonacci level. However, going on the buy trend. In my opinion, market is still gonna come back and retest your previous multiple time frame one more time. From there, what I'm expecting to see, I'm expecting to go with the original trend. Don't forget the daily time frame, weekly, and the monthly is telling us that we are in a buy trend. In my opinion, we're still gonna go up another probably 30, 40, 50 more pips going up, and then from there market will be selling down. So what I'm expecting to see here, guys, this is the multiple time frame here. Look at that. Boom, the TW sniper entry. I'm sorry. So I'm expecting to see the TW sniper entry telling me here that we are gonna be now on the month of September, we are gonna be selling down, right? So that's what I'm expecting to see. That's why you see this green a solid line in the middle of the chart, guys, telling you the market has potential to drop enormous pips coming down. How many pips that gonna be? In my opinion, that will be 794 pips. The question here, guys, is are you guys ready to collect these hundreds and hundreds of pips the market is gonna give us on GBPJPY? Are you guys ready? Oh yeah! Because I am ready, guys. Oh yeah! I don't know about you. Oh yeah! What? I don't know about you. Alright, so let me go ahead and give you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I think this is gonna be a blown mind. Oh my god, guys, it's going to be Euro USD. Guys, pay close attention to the dashboard before I give it to you. That will give you the answer. Believe me, it will give you the answer. Ready? All right, 1, 2, and Euro USD. Boom. Look at that. I don't want to show you the real data yet, because the goal here, guys, is everyone here to know and learn what the market is doing. Look at the dashboard, guys. The dashboard is giving you the answer. Look at that. 5 minutes, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly. Everything is saying that we are selling. Remember, this is the TW sniper entry, guys. When you see the green stairs, it means the market is going up. When you see the red stairs coming down, that means the market is selling. All right, so I don't want you to forget that. All I know here is that everybody here with me agree the market here is selling based on the dashboard, right? We haven't looked into the reality yet, because I want you guys to learn and master this business, guys, because to be honest, this business is amazing, but you need to understand support and resistance. You need to understand and also identify key levels, the art of confirmation, guys, building your strategy and so forth, guys. This is very important. Now that we know that we are selling, let's move on to reality, real data, real talk. Let me shrink the candle. Actually, you can see it here. Look at here. I'm not gonna teach you the real data yet, but this is the original trend here. Look at here. Here's multiple time frame. Here's that white multiple time frame. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom, telling it, hey, Team where Irving is selling. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. And where's the market heading, guys? The market is only coming in one direction. Only. That's why you see here all the way from 5 minutes to 1 month, the market is selling. This is the sell here. Look at here. Boom. Everything here is only going in one direction, guys. Oh, yeah. That's all I'm seeing. Now you're seeing it. Now you're here with me. Now let's look at the real data, because that's all it matters, right? Look at here. This is my opinion, guys. Market will continue that sell position here, because on Friday, look at what happened. Here's your multiple time frame saying, hey, we're still selling. In my opinion, market is still gonna give us another 34 more pips, guys. This coming week, guys, this is what I'm expecting to see. I'm expecting to see a TW sniper entry here coming up and giving us a pullback. How far is this pullback gonna go? It's gonna come on and it's gonna break this previous multiple time frame for sure. It will do that, and it will come back to the next multiple time frame, which is gonna be your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci. But just to be exact, that's what I left it on 23.6 Fibonacci level, and the market will continue on that sell position. Do not forget the Euro USD. It is selling at this present time. If you want to put that buy trend, yes, you will be being in profit, but you will suck it up and will be a negative before you come up into positive. All right, always forget that. But overall, all I'm seeing here, market still selling down. Guys, let me know, guys, if you guys are finding this video valuable. If you are, guys, make sure you support the channel. Give us a thumbs up. If you have any question or you want me to record a video, please let me know in the comment below and I will do it for you. Guys, I'm no longer on vacation. I'm free already. So I took what, two months and a half vacation here and there, here and there, here and there. Now I'm done, guys. I don't want to be sitting on an airplane. I don't want to do that. Even though, guys, this business is amazing, guys. I was traveling. I belong to the VIP lunch clubs worldwide, guys. That program is freaking amazing, guys. I'm telling you, guys, learn how to trade, guys, so you guys can have an amazing life. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of the week, guys, and that is going to be USDJPY. Boom, guys. All right. Woo! I'm telling you, I'm super excited, guys. What? I'm super excited, guys. Look at the dashboard, guys. What is the dashboard doing here? Look at the dashboard. 1 minute, look, let me put an arrow. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. Where is the market going, guys? Where is the market going? You already got the answer right in front of you. Guys, you had the answer. You had the answer. It's telling, the dashboard is telling the market here is going up. That's all it's telling us. Oh, yeah. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? My heart is popping, guys. My heart is going like, ugh. Or you wanted to get punched in your face. Because if you are telling me, Irvin, USDJPY is selling, you need to get punched. Now, let's look at the reality, real data, because that's what we're here for, right? Look here. Look at the chart. Look at the multiple time frame. Where's the multiple time frame here? Boom, it's here. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom, it's here. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading? Boom, 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 boom. Look at the trend. Where's the trend heading? Boom! Market is only going in one direction only, guys. I'm telling you. Where's the market going? It's only going bullish. Go ahead, give me a round of applause, guys. Let me delete all this stuff because I don't want to confuse you guys. So yeah, you know what? Let me leave it back. The multiple time frame, the TW sniper entry, and look, this is what I think the market is gonna do this week, guys. Look, market's still gonna be pushing down. Look at, have a trend line in here, guys, telling that, explaining you the market may come back to this one more time, so it may go up another 30-40 more pips, guys. I'm expecting to see this coming week, guys. This coming week, let me delete this stuff. Let me delete everything. I'm expecting to see this coming week here, our TW sniper entry saying the market will be selling down as a pullback. So this is gonna consider a pullback. Remember, we're getting ready for a brand new month. Everything can happen, guys. Everything can happen. So USDJPY can be in a sell, but fortunately we're still in a buy trend. So probably on Tuesday, Wednesday, I will know for a fact if we are gonna be in long-term sell. By my opinion, market is gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame, and boom, market will continue selling up. I mean, going bullish, because the market here is bullish, guys. Bullish means buy, and bearish means sell. Okay, so here the market is going bullish. It's going bullish, and it's driving me super damn happy, guys. Woo! I'm telling you guys, because I don't want to get punched in my face. I don't want to get punched and say, Irvin, you told me the market was gonna. No, bro. I'm telling you what the market is gonna do. All right, so guys, what do you guys think, guys? Everything look good? Everything look good, guys? Make sure, guys, share this video with all the traders, guys. Everybody need to know. You know what to look into the market, because it's very important, guys. It's very important, to be honest. I believe everyone should trade carefully. Don't trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky. It's very risky. So in my opinion, never trade any money you cannot. Listen to me, guys. You cannot afford to lose, guys. Please don't do that. Don't blow your account. I don't want any of you guys here to blow your account, because you will regret it. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the last pair, guys, and that is going to be gold, guys. If you guys didn't make money on that drop, guys, I don't know what the hell to tell you to do, guys. But let me look at the dashboard, guys. Look at the dashboard, because I bank, guys, on USD30. I be selling like crazy, guys, all this freaking week. I'll be selling. I will show it to you. Look at here, 4 hours and daily time frame. Now daily is giving us a brand new month, guys, brand new trend. Look at the 4 hours is telling that we are in a sell position, right? And what is the daily time frame telling us? The daily time frame is telling us that we are going where? We're going bullish. Now let me show you the real data, because that's what you're here for, guys. This is exactly. Let me delete everything. Look, this is what the 4 hour was telling me. Look at the trend. Boom, 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 boom. The trend was only coming down. That's what the stairs is doing, guys. So the stairs said, boom, we are selling, right? Let me grab the arrow so you can see it. Boom, look at that. Boom, boom, right? So this sell position is no longer valid, guys. Please disregard that sell. Is no longer valid. Look at the brand new trend, guys. Here's multiple time frame. Boom. Look at the TW snap entry commencing, guys. Boom. This was on Friday, guys. Friday gave us a hint of what the market is gonna do here. Look at here. Here's the stairs. This is a very first stair coming up. So market here is only going up. How far is this bullish gonna go, guys? Remember, this is gold, guys. This is gold. This is my opinion on gold, guys. Market's still gonna be pushing up, retesting these previous levels here. Then it's gonna do a small retracement coming down, or I'm gonna leave it in here anyway, but here's another level. Here's a previous multiple time frame. If it breaks this, guys, it's gonna come back and retest this previous low here, which is gonna be your 1898.25 level, and then from there market will resume back to business. Don't forget, the trend here is going up for this coming week, guys. This is what it make me happy, guys, to teach you and show you how we're gonna be looking into support and resistance trading system, guys. This is amazing. We need to dominate the market, guys. Look, how many pairs did I give you today, guys? I gave you what? GBPJPY, I gave you Euro USD, I give you gold, and I give you USDJPY. The question here, guys, what are you gonna do? Which pair are you gonna be trading, guys? The market is here. Market is not gonna be your friend, guys. Trade with the trend, guys. That is the best thing that I can tell you. So guys, if you did find value in this video, do not forget to support the channel, and I want to thank everybody for being here, guys. God bless the world. God bless Ukraine. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. And once again, guys, I will see you guys on the other side of the aisle. Let's go. Let's trade with 10 with Urban. You better believe that. Boom. Let's go.